Have you ever wondered how people like Veekeejames and other big designers make beautiful dresses and they will never ever look like any other dress in the whole wide world? Well, I was once in your shoes, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you some of the secrets and tips on how to make beautiful dresses that will never ever look like any other dress in the whole wide world. Hey beauties, my name is Winnie and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if this sounds like what you are interested in, definitely keep on watching, like, share, and please subscribe. Without too much talking, let's get to the honey of the video.
I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel.
The first step is that you yourself need to be creative, and then you need to pick the color that you want your fabric to be. And once that is done, you go ahead and sketch out how you want your fabric to look like. Do you know that you can actually create your own fabric from scratch? It depends on your creativity and how willing you are to create all these masterpieces. Everything starts with a sketch, and then most fashion designers start off with a clean base and then incorporate beads into it. This also brings out the uniqueness of the dress and makes it unique and makes it stand out, and it will never ever it will never ever look like any other dress in the whole wide world. So you need to fuel your creativity by going online to check many things online. Then after that, you determine the beads and the stones that you want to be on this particular fabric, and then you go ahead and create it. You can bid on it, you can send it to a company to do for you like Veekeejames normally does. You can also create your own fabric by bidding on a plain fabric, just as you can see in this video. Like they first made a plain fabric and then they started bidding on it. See the lots and lots of beads that they added to this fabric. So it was created from scratch to finish. And then you can also make a clean base, a clean transparent base, or a skin illusion base, and then you bid on it. So bidding on a dress also like brings out a variation of creativity. You can do different styles of bidding that you like. You can do different patterns of bidding that you like. And let me tell you something, when you bid on your fabric and another person bids on their fabric, even though they are doing the same thing, it will definitely look different because the hand is powerful, and the hand that does this does one thing and does another thing. There is always a spark of detail that one hand will bring than the other hand. Everybody is creative in their own way, and everybody does things differently. No matter how you want to copy a style, there will always be a little difference in it. So your dress is not going to look like any other dress in the whole wide world. So you can decide to make a clean base, just as you've seen in this video, and then you bid on it, which is what most people do nowadays. They just create a clean base and then they make beautiful beading patterns on it, like the one you can see here. They make dotted beading patterns on it, but it was so full, so they incorporated sequins, glass beads, and two different colors of beads on it to make it very, very beautiful. And as you can see, they worked on their sketch. So after opening your mind of creativity and sketching out a design, yours is to follow the sketch that you made strictly and then make it more beautiful. You can also play with appliques, you can play with beads, you can play with roses, and you should also learn to make your own roses yourself. It really helps the game. Like making your own roses yourself will make your creativity level to go from 0 to 100. I'm not even playing, honestly. Rather than buying stuff from the market, when you make them yourself, they will look like, where did you get this thing? And they will not know that you created it yourself, because you cannot, like, your mind is powerful, and when you create something, it looks unique on its own. You shouldn't be doubting yourself also that if I make it like this, will this thing look beautiful? Will it not look hard? Create something beautiful in your mind and put it into action. And then you also need to pay attention to details. This is what these designers do. They pay attention to the tiniest of details and makes all their designs stand out. And you should also make sure that you fuel your creativity on Pinterest. Search for styles that has been long done, maybe like in the 90s, and then remove some things from it and create your own from it. This is what people do. There is no design that comes from heaven. Everybody sees an inspiration somewhere and then tweak it to their own desire. I hope this video was helpful because we have gotten to the end of it. If you would like me to make any tutorial on how to do your own roses, drop that in the comment section down below. And if you have any question, I would also like to hear from you. Thank you and bye.